Hi viewers, this is Jyoti. Welcome back to our channel Balaji English Language Learners. As of now, I am very glad to inform you that we have completed 125 subscribers. We have got 125 subscribers within these 22 days. Now, I request you all to promote the channel through your Facebook, your Instagram account, or Twitter account, or WhatsApp groups. Thank you very much for your love and support till now. Now, let us start our today's session. Our today's topic is why English. What is why English? Why we have to read English? Or why we have to learn English or speak English? What is the necessity of English, learning English? Why we have to learn English? English, as you already know, that it is a global language. Let us see what are the main important things why we have to learn English. The first point is most commonly spoken language in the world. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. Now suppose our mother tongue is Telugu. Some other mother tongue is Hindi. Our national language is Hindi. If you speak Tamil, if you speak Kannada, if you speak Malayalam, but all of our Indians are connected through only two languages. One is Hindi and other is English, because Hindi is a national language and English is a international language. Inside our total India, we communicate either through Hindi or through English. But I said here it is spoken language throughout the world. When I said it is spoken throughout the world, outside the India also we need to speak. And what is the connectivity of those two countries? Of our two countries, our connectivity is in English. Our connectivity is in English. That's why I said you that it is the most common spoken language in the world, in the complete world, as it is a part of a global language. In our total globe is consisting of English language. It acts as a communicating media where the two persons speak, interact, share their ideas, feelings, everything only through one media, English. The second point is language of international business. While trading, exports, imports and share markets, the main language is used in that concept is English. English is acting as a media for international business. Third one is it is easy to learn. Don't think that it is easy to learn. I said that doesn't mean that why are you saying that it is easy? If it is easy, why can't I speak English? Many of you have a question that if it is very much easy, why am I not speaking English fluently? You question yourself these questions. But here when I said it is an easy to learn or fun or entertain, the meaning is we knowingly or unknowingly we use certain words in our day-to-day life other than mother tongue. We use English. It became a part of our language. See here, when I say this is a marker, almost everyone say this as a marker. They don't use in their mother tongue language. When I say this as a duster, duster is also in English. Yes. When I say chalk, when the electronic gadgets like cell phone, laptop, mobile, yes, refrigerator, all these words knowingly or unknowingly we communicate with others about these things only in English. That is the way, or that is why I am telling you that easy language. English is an easy language. It's not saying that it is easy, you can do it. It's like we knowingly or unknowingly we use these words in our day-to-day life, and it is full of fun and entertainment. Few dialogues in the movies. You watch Telugu movies, you watch Hindi movies, but inside that major or few words, at least little of English is completely added in that. Without English, there is no movie. There is no movie without at least usage of 5 to 6 words, at least minimum of 5 to 6 words. Suppose when I say sorry, when I say thank you, all these words in our day-to-day life, whether the person know the English completely, or whether the person can speak fluent English or not, they speak or they use this type of words in their daily use. And the fourth one is, it helps us understanding the other languages. For example, in your studies, in your academics, when you read English, English is not permitted to only one subject. You can find English in mathematics, you can find English in science, you can find it in computers, you can find it in social, you can find it in moral science. All the other subjects are interrelated. English is interrelated with other subjects also. If you know English, or if you know how to read English, then only you can read social book. Then only you can read maths book. Maths, why I am saying mathematics? Why I am saying mathematics is, in the question of mathematics problem, you find that line or the language is written in English only. Many of your question papers will be in English. Other than languages, all the other subject parts will be in English, especially in English medium schools. And the next one is language of internet. When you browse something in the internet, what do you find? You find almost everything in English language. It is English plays a top language position in internet browsing. As of now, top language browsing doesn't mean that completely everyone are searching only in English. I mean here, I am telling you that 90%, more than 90% of the people are browsing the internet only in English language. Because internet browsing in English language plays a vital role. If you want to find out anything other than the teacher, the student follows the internet. Firstly, at the point of time, they ask the internet to tell. Few days, nowadays they are using Alexa, tell me the word. Tell me the meaning of the word Alexa. Yes? Next, it opens up new career opportunities. English language opens up new career opportunities. What are career opportunities here? Career opportunities are nothing but job opportunities across the world. Even in India, many people are hiring those people who can speak fluent English. I personally know few candidates or few of my friends, they doesn't know how to do mathematic problem. That means they doesn't know the academic, they have not completed their degree. But they can speak fluent English, so they have got a job. Are you understanding my point? Here I said opens up new career opportunities. Here career means the job opportunities across the world, over the world. It may be in India or outside the India. If it is outside India, many foreigners or many companies mainly give importance or hire those people who are fluent only in English. A person who knows the language or who pacifies the language or who utters the language completely, that person is given much importance, much value than the other person who is having a very good percentage in the academics. They will never or they will not consider the marks of other subjects. They only prefer, many, not all, many of the companies prefer the person who is speaking fluent English. Communication skills are much more important than the other. Okay. Here the next one is it boosts up overall academic performance. That means in academic subjects also, as I already told you. What did I say? In all your subjects, English is important. If you know English, you can read science, social, maths, moral science, computer science, everything. But here I say you boosts up overall academic performance. The performance completed or completely given the assessment which is given by your teacher, the report card, whatever you say, that report card will also be in English only. Do you agree with it? Yes, the teacher or the ma'am writes a remark in English saying very good or excellent or need to try to work hard or do more hard work. Okay, everything will be in English only. And the last but not the least one, enhance your personality. Whether the person is confident or not, whether the candidate who is speaking English have the complete knowledge or not, all these things the person's personality decides. The way you speak decides your personality. Whether you speak in a harsh way, they say you are a rude person. If you speak in a smooth way, they say you are very ignorant and you are very innocent. If you are building up your confidence within yourself, that confidence will give you more opportunities. That opportunities will be only via English. So friends, English is a media to overcome all the hurdles in your life. Let's learn English completely. Practice English. The way you speak, the way you converse with the other person gives you much more worth. Have a nice day.